It's that time of year again when bugs are a problem in the front of your car. We're going to have a look at Autoglanz Bug Off. This is just going to be a very quick demonstration video just to show how good Bug Off actually is. It's a wax safe, citrus based, ready to use spray. So the spray itself is more gel like, which gives a better cling time on the car. So that means that the product has enough time to really work away at the bugs, work away at the splatter, and just soften it up so that it's easier to remove on your rinse. Now the products are available in 3 sizes, 500ml, 1 litre and 5 litre, and the 500ml starting from £5.95. Fantastic value for money. If you just look closer there, you can just see that the product is starting to work, because you can just see the line of the dirty line coming down from the bug. That's the product starting to work away and ready for removal. Now you can either remove this as part of your normal wash, your shampoo wash, or you can just rinse it away just now, which I'm just going to do just to show you. Now I had already pre-rinsed the car, that's how you can see the beads on the paintwork there. But it just goes to show how great and effective product it is there when you just see the final moment. No bugs there whatsoever. Absolutely superb. So the only ones that don't like it are the bugs. Take care, see you later.